back to another makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to be doing something very soft and easy but glam at the same time. I hope you guys like it. By the way, Happy New Year. I can't believe it's already 2019. Wow, like it's crazy. But anyways, I'm going to be priming my face and I am going to be using something new today. The other day I got this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and I love the way it smelled, so I had to get it. So I'm gonna be priming my face with this. It's like a setting spray, but it's a primer and a setting spray in both. For foundation, I'm going to be using a new one as well. This one is by Makeup Revolution and it's the foundation stick. I'm just gonna apply this directly to my face. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend everything with my beauty blender. Okay, this actually looks really good. And I feel like it's like the right color. I don't know how it looks on camera though, but right here it looks really, really good. For concealer, I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape. I got this the other day as well. The one I used to have was really, really light. So I got this color and it looks like it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend this out. I'm going to set my concealer. I'm using the Mercier translucent powder. I have two videos going up this week. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna upload first, this one or the vlog, because I did a vlog but it's kind of like all over the place, but you guys are still gonna enjoy it because it's pretty fun. So yeah, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna upload first. I'm thinking this video and then the vlog. I honestly don't know. I'm gonna have to do like a poll on Instagram so you guys could vote and you guys could let me know which one you guys want to see first. I got my nails done yesterday and I am obsessed with them. I'm also going to apply some on my forehead. For blush, I'm going to be using Dandelion Benefit. I have so much allergies right now. I feel like every time I apply translucent powder around my nose, I start having a lot of allergies. I don't know why. Anybody else? For today's look, I'm going to be using this Urbandecay On The Run palette. It's like a mini palette, but it's perfect for traveling or for putting it in your bag or whatever you want to do with it. But I'm going to be using this today, so let's just go ahead and get started. Finished. What do you guys think about this makeup look? I think it came out really pretty. I love it and I hope you guys do too. But now I'm going to be applying lipstick. So today I'm going to use Lolita by Kat Von D, and for lip liner I'm gonna use the same one I always use, and I'm pretty sure you guys already know, but I'm gonna use the MAC World lip liner. I did apply my lip liner off camera because it's a little bit hard to do it on camera. So now I'm going to be applying lipstick. Where is it at? Oh, it's right here. It's already 3:13 p.m. and I've been filming since 10:30. Wow, that took a long time. I didn't think I was gonna take this long, but I know why, because my camera kept overheating. So yeah, that has to do a lot with this. Every time I'm filming, my camera overheats and it turns off, and I have to wait like 15 minutes to like turn it back on, and it sucks, and I do need a new camera. So I'm gonna get a new camera because this one just makes me really upset. To finish up this look, I'm going to be setting my makeup. I'm going to be using the same setting spray I use to prime my face. I am all finished with this makeup tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and you turn on your post notifications, that way you guys could get notified whenever I upload a new video. But that is pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.